Good morning, little cat. I bet you weren't expecting me to come in the door, were ya? Hi, sweet girl. Good morning. You look so beautiful. Hi. Remember me? Yeah, she does. That's great. What a good girl. Do you like some lap time? Yeah? Good girl. After enjoying some love, little cat went to drink some water. And I'll be cleaning up when she's done. Did you see the enrichment item I brought for you today? It's a cat bed. It has nubby fabric that's really nice to roll in. You want to see? Over here. Okay, we're gonna go around it for now, but at least it's something to check out later. We are nice and clean. Bowls are fresh and full. And while I was working, little cat went back in here. I closed the door after checking on big cat so that she would feel more comfortable. Hi, babe. Is the sunshine nice and warm for you? I brought you another enrichment item. It's a very simple thing, but cats love it. Light string. What do we think? Okay, we're not impressed. That's okay. We'll try something else. Little cat is very focused on the bird activity outside, of which there is a lot. We had more rain last night, and so they are just having a ball out there. So I noticed that big cat is down here. Hello, beautiful. I'm gonna give you a string and see if you want it. What do we think? Okay, she's not gonna go for it, but at least she's not running away. That's a good sign. Since Big Cat wasn't very interested in the string, I gave it to her down there. And now she's laying with it. We're just enjoying this gorgeous morning sunshine and all the bird activity outside. A nice low-key visit to start off this staycation. I'm hoping that little cat will be in a more playful mood in the future, but this is the perfect way to start a booking because they're nice and calm, everything is relaxed, and we're just going to ease into it. I hope you have had a good flight yesterday and that you have a good trip. I'll be back tomorrow. Have a great day.